Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Wurundjeri and Bunurong people, and pay our respects to Indigenous people, past, present and emerging.
We also would like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here with us today.
Well, good afternoon everyone and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School Online Assembly. Well, my first message is to say that I'm excited. I am really excited because next week on Monday we welcome our prep students back to school, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday we welcome our students year 1 and 2. And then following that week we will see all our students return on a staged return basis. And to help families along the way with the return to school, we've actually published on Compass by year level a calendar of when students attend school and when students remain at home completing the remote and flexible learning program. My next message is about, well, as you know, as part of our school our Sun Smart policy, it's an expectation, a requirement that all students will wear a school-approved hat, not only when you're walking to and from school, but during recess and lunchtime and during any lessons outside, just so that you're protected from the harmful effects of the sun. And we do also have sunscreen in all the learning spaces for student and staff use. Now I'd like to invite Mrs. Cubic to join the assembly today because Mrs. Cubic is going to model wearing the school-approved hat. Welcome, Mrs. Cubic.
Hello.
Oh, thanks, Mrs. Cubic. Maybe we should have taken the tag off the back of the hat. And also, you may not be aware, but Mrs. Cubic was actually smiling behind that mask. So, as I said, we look forward to seeing all our students wearing the school-approved hat on your return to school. I must say, as I read the newsletter this week, I was once again overwhelmingly impressed with the comments that I saw in our Shining Stars section. The fantastic effort our students are putting into their learning. Great to see all those students that have completed all their online learning tasks. And once again, I want to say how proud I am of you all. Big thank you, students. And also, once again, a really big thank you to all our parents out there and carers for your support to our students during remote learning. And I know firsthand it's not easy when we're trying to juggle everything we have to do at home, sometimes work from home, and also support our students. But please note that from myself and every member of staff at the school, we appreciate the work that you put in during this time. And parents, just a reminder, if you are yet to enrol students into the school for next year, especially in our prep year, our foundation year, could I ask you to contact the office as soon as possible, please? And also, if parents are looking at moving out of the area and you'll be transferring to another school, we certainly ask you to contact the office to inform us of that. So that concludes my report for the online assembly this week. As I said, a really big thank you for everything our students and staff have done during this time. Your work's really, really appreciated, and I look forward to seeing you back at school commencing Monday. Take care, everybody.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Fawad here, and I just wanted to say a big congratulations to our Cranbourne East Primary School community for all their hard work during our lockdown. I also wanted to say a big thank you to our parents and carers who have been helping our students progress in their learning. I know it's a really tough time with work and also having to help students at home, so you are very appreciated from us as well. And lastly, I just wanted to say a big thank you to 2PF. Miss Peng and I are so proud of all the amazing work that you've been submitting, and it is so lovely to see how you help each other out so much and care and look out for each other. So keep it up, and I'll see you guys soon. Well done.
Hi everyone, Mrs. Purvis here, and I just want to congratulate all our SEPS students on their resilience in getting through another winter of remote and flexible learning. And a huge thank you to all the parents and carers for helping our students with their learning at home. You are all amazing and thank you. Also, 2CD, you are a fabulous group of kids and it's been so much fun seeing your smiling faces at our morning meetings. Keep up the great work and I can't wait to see everyone at school again really, really soon. Bye.
Hi all, we just wanted to say a big congratulations to everyone for participating in remote learning, and you've done such a great job and we're all very proud of you.
We've been seeing so much fantastic work come in from our students. So thank you so much for all of your hard work, and thank you as well to all of the parents for your amazing support in helping your students complete their learning.
You have all been so resilient during this time and you should be congratulated for all of your hard work and efforts during this time. So thank you so much.
Hi Cranbourne East Primary School community, this is Mrs. Blake. Congratulations on all of your work everyone, and a special congratulations to the amazing students in Year 1. Thank you to all of the students for showing flexibility and determination in each of the tasks that you've completed, and to the parents and carers for all of the support that you have given. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.
Students, parents and carers, congratulations on a fantastic effort during remote learning. I'd like to congratulate you and thank you for all your lovely artwork. Well done again, and it'll be great to be back.
I'm grateful for my baby sister. I'm grateful for my daddy's love, and I'm grateful for my mommy's big hugs.
Hello, I'm going to do a magic trick today. Look at these numbers. And now, look at them. Abracadabra. Look at the other.
Now I'm going to start the first magic trick. And now I'm going to bite this Oreo cookie and make it come back again from my mouth. Now I'm going to do the trick, the disappearing egg. Look at this bag, it's empty. And now I'm going to put this egg inside and it will disappear. It's gone. Look inside.
Could dress up to get love, but guess what? I'm gonna be that girl who's living in a Barbie world. Who could wake up and make up and play dumb, pretending they need a boy. He's gonna treat me like a toy. And all the other girlies wanna wear expensive things like diamond rings, but I wanna be the puppet showing rain on my strings. This queen don't need a king. Oh, I don't know what you've been told, but this guy right here is gonna rule the world.
This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power's turned on. Starting right now, I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes. 'Cause I still got a lot of fire left in me. You're not a voice, you're just a ringing in my ear. And if I heard you, which I don't, it's spoken for I fear. Everyone I've ever loved is here within these walls. I'm sorry, secret siren, but I'm blocking out your calls. I've had my adventure, I don't need something new. I'm afraid of what I'm risking if I follow you into the unknown. Into the unknown. Into the unknown.